Hi there, I'm Heather Gill, local realtor with eXp Realty here in the Dallas, Texas area. I'm talking today with Monty Felts. He is with the Hallasan Group at Cross Country Mortgage. And Monty, we had a question come into texaselder.care. The question is this: what happens to my loan when I pass away?
That's a great question. I think we don't often think of that, but it is something that we need to ask. We need to consider what's going to happen. And I think most of us would think about it from the perspective of our people, our family members that are going to suddenly either have that loan, or does that loan pay off with life insurance? Right. You've got some options here, some of which are not really probably approved, but here's what's going to happen.
Okay.
You're going to pass away. There's going to be a loan on that house. Whoever that home is deeded to in the will, whoever is given to, they're going to take that house over. The bank is not necessarily going to know that you passed away.
Right.
So could you keep paying that super low rate? I was talking to a guy today and I said, hey, if you have a kid and 50 years from now, leave your home to them in your will, they're going to be pretty excited that you've got a 2.75 interest rate locked in. So yeah, that'd be amazing. Now, are we doing 50-year loans? No. So the situation was a little funny. My point is just, if you've got a great interest rate, your family may just want to keep paying that, but it's not really what was intended. But are they going to know it? Probably not. The best thing to do is to refinance that if you want to keep a loan on it. Or what happens more often than not, and you probably know this, Heather, just from being an expert on the real estate side, the people that inherit the home, they sell the home. And so they need somebody like you that's going to be able to help them know what's it worth, what would it really go for, how much is the loan on it now, so what do we net, all that stuff. So a number of things could happen. On the last thing that would be is, if they had life insurance, you technically could pay that loan off with that life insurance policy, and then the home is owned free and clear. If you do want to keep it, could do that. But yeah, best thing to do is just talk to us and figure out what are your options at that point, because every situation is different.
Right. Well, very good. I love those ideas. Lots of good ideas and options there for somebody. Monty knows what he's talking about. He's a professional in his field, as you can tell, and you can reach him at his office number there on the screen, or you can send him an email and he'll be happy to get back to you. Monty, thank you so much for your time.
Absolutely.